In this video, we listed the 5 best handheld vacuum for cars that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Fanttik Fold V10 Vacuum. The Fanttik Cordless Handheld Vacuum is a versatile cleaning tool designed for easy use in various settings, including car interiors and homes with pets. Featuring a foldable design and weighing only 2.6 pounds, it offers powerful cleaning capabilities with a 130W brushless motor that produces up to 17 kilopascals of suction. Equipped with a HEPA filter, this vacuum comes complete with multiple accessories such as soft and hard bristle brushes, a pet brush, a flexible hose, a USB-C charging cable, and a replacement filter, making it suitable for both delicate and tough surfaces. Its pivoting design allows for flexible maneuverability, enhanced by an LED display that indicates power levels and suction modes. The 16.9 ounces bagless dirt bowl simplifies debris disposal, and the washable filter ensures optimal performance. With a rechargeable battery that fully charges in just 2.5 hours, the vacuum operates for up to 35 minutes, making it a practical choice for efficient cleaning at home or on the go. Number 2. Aspiron Cordless Vacuum. The Aspiron handheld vacuum cleaner is a powerful and versatile cleaning tool with a bagless design and HEPA filter. It comes with an accessory kit, charging dock, brush, and crevice tool, making it suitable for upholstery and carpet cleaning. Although it is not cordless, it offers 2 powerful suction modes and a long-lasting battery with fast charging capabilities. The vacuum also features dual charging options and interchangeable brush heads for easy cleaning of hard-to-reach places. With its ergonomic design and large dust capacity, this handheld vacuum provides comfortable grip and easy maintenance for efficient and convenient cleaning. Number 3. AUXITO Portable Vacuum. The AUXITO Mini Vacuum Car Cleaner is a versatile, cordless, and lightweight cleaning solution designed for various applications, including vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and pumping. Equipped with a powerful brushless motor that delivers 2 suction modes, 8,500 pascals and 14,000 pascals, this vacuum efficiently tackles stubborn sand, dust, and debris from car interiors, floor mats, and even household items like carpets and keyboards. Weighing just 1 pound and featuring a compact design, it's easy to maneuver and store, making it ideal for travelers and busy lifestyles. The vacuum boasts a 160 ml dust cup for extended cleaning sessions, a Type-C fast charging capability for quick recharges within 3 to 4 hours, and a runtime of up to 30 minutes on low speed. Additionally, it comes with multiple nozzles to handle different surfaces, making it a perfect gift for car enthusiasts and anyone looking to maintain a clean environment. Number 4. Blestan Handheld Vacuum. The Blestan Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner is designed for versatile and powerful cleaning across various surfaces, boasting an upgraded technology that offers 2 suction modes with an impressive cyclonic suction power of up to 9 kilopascals. Weighing only 1.5 pounds and equipped with a 12-ounce dustbin, this lightweight vacuum is ideal for tackling hard-to-reach areas without the hassle of cords. It features a long-lasting battery life of over 30 minutes with fast charging capabilities and includes essential accessories such as a dusting brush, crevice tool, and extension tube to enhance its functionality. The ergonomic design ensures portability, making it suitable for use in homes, cars, and even during travels. Additionally, the vacuum comes with washable HEPA filters for effective filtration, as well as 24-hour customer support and a quality warranty, ensuring a reliable cleaning solution for any environment. Number 5. DRECELL Car Vacuum. The DRECELL Handheld Car Vacuum is a portable and lightweight cleaning solution designed for effective car maintenance. Weighing just 1.8 pounds, this corded vacuum operates on a 12-volt power source and delivers impressive suction power of up to 7,000 par, making it efficient for removing dirt, debris, dog hair, and crumbs from various surfaces such as upholstery and hard-to-reach corners. Equipped with essential accessories like a dusting brush, crevice tool, and an extension hose, it helps in thorough cleaning throughout the car's interior. The user-friendly design allows for easy operation by simply plugging the 16.4-foot power cord into the car's cigarette lighter. Furthermore, the vacuum features a washable HEPA filter that effectively traps dust, and it comes with 2 additional filters and a brush for maintenance. The integrated LED light assists in illuminating dark areas under the seats, enhancing the cleaning experience in those hard-to-see spots. Compatible with all vehicles, the DRECELL vacuum is an ideal tool for keeping your car spotless with minimal effort.